Hello everyone and welcome to Techavro, and today we're going to be talking about on how you can make yourself an Instagram account. Now, I'm sorry if you guys hear any background noises. There's construction going on right next to my house, which is why there's going to be a bit of noise, but just ignore that. So let's start with on how to make an Instagram account. Now, you can obviously create your Instagram account with your Facebook. And if you don't want to do that, all you want to do is click on sign up right below that. Once you press on sign up, all you want to do is get yourself your email address and then put it right there. Once you put your email address there, you just want to write Techavro. That's what we're going to do. Name and then just a password that you find to be suitable for yourself. Huh? What do you mean? Okay, maybe we can't use the dash. Oh, that's the username, sorry. I am stupid. We'll just put the username as Techavro. And yeah, now let's just put in a password. I'm just gonna go with something like, and then sign up. Okay, username cannot be that. Alright, let's sign up. Okay, after that, just select the birthday. Anything really works. I'm just gonna go select something, anything, and then you're gonna get a confirmation email at your email address, which is gonna be quite some time. And there you go. Just gonna copy this code, put it back in, press on next, and voila, my account is done. But I'm gonna have to go through some of the loadings now. If you do not want to go through all this hassle, you can just easily log in via your Facebook account and use that, and that's going to be it. I do not know why this is up, but okay. I just made the account, and they've suspended my account on 25th December. I'll just press on disagree. So anyways, we're just gonna ignore that for now. I'm not sure why that happened, but alright. So it's as simple as that. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Now I'm gonna try to figure out why this happened.